Tacoma, Washington. A tanker truck delivers propane to the Atlas foundry. But during the refueling process, something goes terribly wrong. The hose spews a deadly white cloud of gas, and a tiny spark ignites disaster. Shockwaves rattle windows miles away.
I heard an explosion, my building shook, and I thought a guy ran into something.
But the worst is still to come. The truck driver manages to crawl away. Inside the plant, worker Zeph Drisk is knocked to his knees.
All of a sudden, we heard this ungodly roar. You know, it was like a blast furnace, which is going wide open. I started running because what's going to blow next?
Fire crews frantically try to douse flames shooting from the plant's propane tank. But the tanker truck is still parked right next to the scorching inferno. And Zeph knows he has only seconds to get out before it blows.
Looking at how the flame is increasing, how the sound is increasing, something's about to explode.
Then, just as Zeph and the other workers scramble to evacuate the plant, it happens.
Holy smokes, I hope everybody's okay.
The entire neighborhood quakes from the thunderous concussion. Passing cars are nearly blasted off a nearby overpass. Escaping from the plant, Zeph is again rocked to the ground.
You know, I weighed 360 pounds, and that just knocked me like I wasn't nothing. I got to my feet, and I didn't see the truck there anymore. The truck was gone.
The massive explosion melts power lines and leaves firefighters working into the night to tame the blaze. 4 workers, including the driver, are injured in the terrifying incident. It's a day the people of Tacoma will never forget, and one that Zeph Drisk is just happy to have survived.